London Trams are currently renewing a number of heavily worn rails. The lifespan of a rail is approximately 18 years, so a programme of works needs to be instigated to ensure the safe and reliable passage of the trams through the city. The challenges in sight are obviously the location. We're in a city centre area with an adjacent highway. Space is a real constraint for us, as is time. With only 14 days to renew this very important piece of infrastructure, it's critical that we hand back on time. We're using Sika Icosit's polymer embedment material for our track renewals. This is the first time this material is used in the UK, and we're very keen to see the benefits that this new material can offer the UK light rail and tram market.
On this project, we are using Icosit KC350-45. It's very rapid curing, has many benefits, which include preventing stray current corrosion, it reduces noise and vibration, and it has an extremely long service life. The benefits to the travellers on the tram that they will notice in this section of rail a much smoother ride, and the tram will be a lot quieter, not just for the passengers but also for the residents in the local area.
VolkerRail are currently working with NTB Group, who have brought a polymer placement machine to ensure the efficient placement of the Icosit polymer. The polymer placement machine minimises the amount of manual handling that we need to undertake, which ensures the safety of our staff. The machine also allows a really efficient placement of the product, which minimises the amount of time we need to spend on site.
The machine mixes the product, so you're not relying on manual people to mix the product that could create problems, mistakes. Efficiency is very quick, so delivery of the product, you probably get about 10 litres per minute. There's less waste. The Part A product comes with a liner in the drum, so when you're finished, you're left with a clean drum.
Previously, we used 12-litre tins to dispense embedded material, and this caused a real problem with logistics on site.
On previous projects where the smaller kits have been used, the disposal cost has been in the region of £30,000. By using the kit, the drums can be recycled or reused for other purposes.
This is a real boon for us because it means that we're meeting our sustainability targets and reducing our carbon impact.
Icosit KC products have got an extremely long design life, and we have examples where the product's been in situ for over 30 years, virtually maintenance free. The benefit of using Icosit KC products for rail replacement is that when the rail needs replacing, the rail can easily be removed by hydroblasting, which makes it more cost effective and cheaper for the client on the next gen replacements.
The product offers lots of advantages during construction, but also when the rails inevitably do wear out, we can remove the rails and the embedment system in a more efficient and controlled manner, saving our client time and of course money. This important infrastructure renewal will support London Tram's aspirations for a smoother, more reliable ride for the passengers at Croydon. We're really impressed with the technology that Sika brings to the table, but also the relationships that the Sika team bring to help support our work, which means we're meeting our targets both in terms of efficiency, programme, safety and of course quality. We're looking forward to developing this relationship further with additional sites planned in the UK in the coming months.